Hey, hi guys, welcome to RJ Fashion Hall. How are you guys? I'm good. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, this video is all about DMart. It's a very famous place. And yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. DMart is very famous for affordable and budget friendly products. I shot this video in DMart in Hyderabad. Yeah, I showcase few products. So please watch the complete video to get the details. I try to shoot with prices of the products. Yeah, all these are hair accessories, and yeah, this is a bunch of hair bands, and these are all lunch packs starting from 169, and below it was mentioned it is of 119 rupees. Yeah, these bags are for 19 rupees. Yeah, with zip also available for this lunch bags. They had so many collections, and these are rubber bands for 29 rupees. All these are hair accessories starting from 29, 39, and depending on the product it varies. And all these are cookers, Pigeon brand cookers, and these Pigeon branded cookers are at present offer is running. They had a huge discount on this product. Yeah, the MRP of this one is 1295 rupees. It is of 3 liter pigeon cooker. MRP is 1295, and at DMart you get this for 649 rupees. It is in offer, and they had so much of collection, and all these are table torch and lamp tube LED tube lights and all these things. And this is prestige cooker. Yeah, on this also there is offer. It is 3245 MRP, and offer you get 2099 rupees of 1.8 liter capacity Preeti cooker. All these are a stainless steel glass set, 3 glasses for 99 rupees. Yeah, these are the 3 glasses for 99 rupees. And in kitchen items of steel products, they had affordable prices. These are combo 199 rupees. Yeah, there are 2 bowls, 1 glass, and a plate. Yeah, this is a combo set. You can get steel products for very affordable prices in DMart. All these are flask, copper bottles, and water bottles section. These are plates, steel plates, and they are for 99 rupees and 75 rupees, and they had different price ranges. And small plates are for the 59 rupees. Yeah, these are kitchen tools. You can use these products in kitchen. And these are bowls for 69 rupees. Small bowls for 69 rupees. And all these are boxes. Yeah, this is also stainless steel one, and these for 99 rupees MRP, and on DMart you get for 79 rupees. And this is another bowl, steel bowl for 149 rupees MRP, and on DMart you get for 109 rupees. All these are steel plates, stainless steel plates for 99 rupees. Cylinder stands and plate stands are there, and these are gas stove burners, 2 burners. These of Preeti brand, and on this also they had a discount. MRP 6260 rupees, and DMart price is 3299 rupees. Yeah, these 2 burner Preeti glass top, and all these are cookers and combo sets of non-stick. This is a cooker, yeah. And it is of I'll mention the brand also here. Yeah, there is a cooker, Pigeon 5 liter cooker for DMart price 949. This is 5 liter butterfly cooker for 899 rupees. Offer price is 899 rupees. And this is non-stick cookware for 499 rupees. This is a 3-piece combo set. Yeah, this is a 3-piece combo set for 499 rupees. And these also of a non-stick combo set, and here the price was not mentioned. Yeah, price not mentioned. And this is also of a combo set of cooker set, Surya branded cooker set, and for final price you will get for 1249 rupees. This one and these three are the combo set of Surya pressure cooker of 1249 rupees. Yeah, these of I think 5 liters. They had 5 liters, 3 liters and 2 liters combo set. This is a 5 liter one, and next one is 3 liter, and this is a 2 liter. All these three cookers for just 1249 rupees. It is DMart price. And they had so many collection in pressure cookers. This is another one, PGN 3 liters, and these of 1049 DMart price. And these I think Prestige. Yeah, this Prestige one, and offer price is 1688. This is another Prestige for 3.3 liters. And this is a non-stick cookware, yeah, with lid, and it is for 1000 rupees. This Pigeon non-stick set of 7 piece, DMart price is 1000 rupees. This is the one in the combo with lid, and it is of 7 piece set. Yeah, this is the one. And these saucy pan, and this is another one with the lid. Yeah, and it has I think a pan also available. All these for 7 pieces for 999, and MRP is 2895. And all these are iron boxes. It is of Usha brand, and on this also they had an offer. Yeah, these are dry iron box, and you get this for 549 rupees in DMart. Yeah, they had other brands also. This is a Preeti iron box for 899 rupees, 2 years warranty. This is also dry iron box. In DMart you can get electric products, that too in kitchen items, that is mixie, cooker, iron boxes, and so many products for very affordable prices. And coming to next section, these of plastic. All these are plastic stools, different price ranges. Yeah, this is the one of rectangle shape stools, and this is another shape, and these of 299 rupees. Yeah, these of 299 rupees, and these another small stool, and this is for 149 rupees. Yeah, this is the price. And in these stools also they had different shapes and different sizes available with different price ranges and different brands. This is of Joyo brand, and this is for 549 rupees. Yeah, this is something a bigger size stool. And all these are buckets. And in DMart you can get plastic also for very affordable and budget friendly prices. And these for 199 rupees, DMart price. This is also a bigger size of bucket. In DMart you can get plastic of a very wide collection. Plastic products had starting from 29 rupees, 39 rupees, and they had different price ranges. All these are strainers, plastic strainers for 79 rupees. And these for 49 rupees is a hook set. And all these are plastic egg saver box, and these for 79 rupees, and these also in plastic section. In DMart you can get affordable lunch boxes. They had so many collection of lunch boxes in DMart. These are one of kind of lunch box, and it has 3 boxes. Yeah, the price of this one is 180 rupees. Yeah, that's it for today video, guys. I hope you definitely enjoy this video. If you want any particular videos, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to make those videos. I already made so many street shopping videos in my channel, so please go and watch all those videos. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload the video. Please like and share this video to your friends and family members. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook pages. I'll give those links in the description box. I try to update everything in Instagram and Facebook pages. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you'll definitely enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.